Hi, in this video I will explain how to create typewriter animation using HTML and CSS. Typewriter animation, as the name suggests, is an effect that looks like a typing animation, as being typed by a typewriter. We are going to create this animation without JavaScript and just using HTML and CSS. To achieve the typewriter effect, we will use the following CSS properties. The first one is the animation timing function. By using this property, we need to specify the time of the animation in seconds or milliseconds so that the animation is faster and looks perfect. The next one is overflow. By using this, each text appears according to the animation and is not revealed all at once. Overflow, hidden, is used in the below code. The next one is white space, to get the animation on a single line. White space, nor wrap, is used. The next one is border color. As seen in the below code, the border color is animated from black to transparent to give the animation a realistic touch of a blinking cursor with any color other than black. The last one is width. To get a typing-like animation, width is animated from 0% to 50%. The screenshot of the code is as follows. The code with the running output link is also attached in the description. The output is as follows. Thank you.